Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun video for you. I have some Colourpop goodies, some new items to the market, new items to me, and I picked up the new Eclipse palette. If you weren't aware, Colourpop released the Twilight palette. They also released the new Moon palette. And now we have Eclipse. I also have the new Cloud Whip lip color. I have the new brow gel. I also got a little PR package from Colourpop, so it's gonna be fun. Let's get into it. I'm gonna start with my lips. And Colourpop sent me this Truth or Bear lip liner multi-pack. Very excited, all new shades, and I'm going to pair them with probably the more brown shade of the new Cloud Whip Blurring Liquid Lip. I did cheat and try this one on yesterday. So good. Can't wait to show you. I picked up In a Haze and Mile High. Let me go ahead and swatch those for you. A weightless, hydrating, whipped liquid lip that makes lips look smooth for a soft, blurred finish. They have hyaluronic acid, marshmallow extract, and cloudberry extract. So we have In a Haze and Mile High. They really are very smoothing. Let me pick a nice nude lip liner shade. How about Boys Town? I'm also gonna swatch this Boys Town because I wanted to show you they are very long wearing. Now I'll show you the In a Haze. That is just a beautiful taupey brown. Love it. Next, I'll set my brows with this new Brow Boss from Colourpop. A waterproof eyebrow gel that lifts, nourishes, and sets brows for up to 24 hours. This flake-proof, zero residue formula delivers a strong, flexible hold without feeling stiff. It's infused with panthenol and rosemary extract. I do obviously have some makeup on my face. I kept it all drugstore, and of course I will have everything listed and linked in the description box. Some of those links are affiliate links. If you use those links, thank you so much, because I do make a small commission and it helps support me and my channel. Very nice. I can feel immediate hold. I love the small brush. They are going exactly where I want them to go. It does not feel heavy or thick. Wow. So far, absolutely loving this. I'll go ahead and show you the other things that they sent me in the PR package. I had the lippy sticks, the Cloud Whip in a Haze. They sent me some shadow sticks. This is the Lilo and Stitch collab. Not sure I'll be able to incorporate these in with my Eclipse palette, but I can at least swatch them. This one is Alien Vibes. Really pretty multi-chrome blues and greens. And then there's this purple one that's called He's All Yours. Very pretty. And the last thing I got in my PR package is a palette. This is Deja Brew. Very neutral, boring, everyday go-to. Look at that. That looks very pretty. Let me just swatch the shimmers. There's 3 shimmers and 6 mattes. Yeah, gorgeous. Cannot wait to play with that. And then in the package I picked up, of course, the new Eclipse palette. We will take a closer look in just a moment. I picked up another Super Shock shadow. This is in the shade Aster, which I believe they described as a peachy taupe. Thought that would look gorgeous in the summertime. Little bronzer in the crease, or just one and done. And then I really wanted to have a red shade of this Cloud Whip, which is right here. Now these, they do look like they transfer a little bit. And then here is the lip liner. It doesn't stay forever, but it does stay for a good amount of time. So let's take a look at this Eclipse palette. Are you a Twilight book movie fan? Let me know in the comments. Let me know your favorite movie of the series. I think mine is the second, Breaking Dawn, the very last movie. I adore that movie. So here we go. We have a protector. We have some pretty artwork. The inside looks just like the box. And then here are the colors. I see blues, silvers, reds, purples. I'm going to swatch and then we will compare to the other palettes. Here is the first row. We have Insane Thirst, New Vampires, Magic Blood, and No Control. And then the last one on that row is Frostbite, which looks like a gray-black. Next row is First Outsider, Hotter Than You. Oh no, I did it out of order. This one is Mind Tricks. This one is Hotter Than You. And this one is Tense Alliance. Last one in that middle row is Hunting Instinct. This is the top row. Here is I'm Switzerland, okay? It's a nice purple. Hey, it's Jake. Major Jasper. The Tent. And then the last shade is called Proposal. This looks like it is a topper. It looks white in the pan, but it comes off very purpley pink. Here's a comparison between Twilight and Eclipse. Here's New Moon and Eclipse. I'm gonna do two looks for you. I'll start with a Rephr 14 in I'm Switzerland, okay? I'm gonna put that in my crease and going down a little bit on the outer edge. It's a nice shade of purple. This is my Rephr 15 that I'm just blending out those edges. Now I'll go into New Vampires with that Rephr 14 and go a little bit deeper into the crease, into that outer edge. Now I'll take my Alter Ego 11 brush, which is even smaller, and I'm going to go into this Frostbite, which is that darkest shade. And just keep that really low. Next I'm going to go into Magic Blood, putting that right in the center. For the inner corner, I think I'm going to go into Hotter Than You, because it's got a little bit of red and purple going on. Yep, that's exactly what I wanted, because that sort of pulls the outer edge in with the inner. Just to be crazy, I'm going to go into this Mind Tricks, which is definitely the flakiest, thickest shade, so this may end up all over my face. I just want something a little brighter. Going back into that Magic Blood and just finding a way to merge those two. It's bold. I have that Alter Ego 11. I'll go back into New Vampires. And then Hotter Than You. I just wiped off the brush. Wiped off the brush again. And then I'll take a little bit of that Mind Tricks. I'll go ahead and add liner and mascara, and I'll be right back with completed look number 1. I'm back. I went ahead and added my Colourpop liner. This is the retractable one, as well as some of my favorite Essence mascaras, and this is completed look number 1. Reds, purples, definitely out of my comfort zone, but pretty. Now let's get into look number 2. I think I'll start with the Tent. And this is a Sigma E38. I'm just going to use this as our transition base shade. And I'll just be lazy and take the other side, which is the E54. Same shade, and go underneath. Next I'll take my Unit 309 brush and I'll go into Hunting Instinct. A little bit deeper. To that deeper area of the crease for some added definition. And now I'll use this No Control shade. And I'll put that on the center. This one is a little flaky, but not as much as the Mind Tricks shade. Then I'll take my pinky into this Major Jasper, which looks like another silver, but definitely smoother and brighter. Just doing the clean finger and then the finger with the color. Ooh, pretty. And now I just gotta play with this proposal. It's so pretty the way that it turns, and it is meant to be a topper. And that just steps it up one more notch in brightness and color. Now grab that Alter Ego 11 again and just go a little bit into that frostbite and just deepen the outer corner a little bit, going along the lash line there. I'll go ahead and add the liner and mascara, and I'll be right back with completed look number 2. I'm back with completed look number 2. Definitely an easier look for me. I love a good black and silver look. Thoughts on the Eclipse palette are that it is beautiful. Did they get me with the collab? Absolutely. I love the books. I love the movies. I am a little bit of a collector. I will hang on to these always, and Colourpop's quality is one that you can count on. Let me know which look you prefer. These cloud whips are very, very pretty. I had this one on most of the day yesterday. It wore fantastic. My lips do not feel dry. It does transfer a little bit, but nothing terrible. I found that it lasted through meals. I'm thrilled to have the lip liners and the eyeshadow sticks and the Super Shocks. My collection is growing. They are fantastic. I hope you found this video enjoyable if you were considering picking this up or curious about the lip products, and also the new Brow Boss. They feel soft. I will let you know if they move, but really immediate love. It's not wet. There was immediate hold. Really, really nice. This will for sure be in my rotation. I hope that this was enjoyable for you. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload videos on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up, and of course, leave me that comment. Let me know which look you prefer, or just leave me a heart to let me know you were here. I thank you so much for spending some of your precious time with me today. I'll see you in the next one.